This inside also you'll find lot of cashews. Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I've dropped down to Coorg Cafe, which is in road. So this is a pure veg restaurant. So let's go inside and check out what is so special of this Coorg Cafe. So here is Mr. John. He is the employee of this Coorg Cafe. So John, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಇದೆ ಇದು?
So we started from November 7.
Okay.
So November 7th ನಾವು ಈ neighborhood ಅಲ್ಲಿ listed ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ.
Okay.
So it's a pure veg restaurant.
Okay.
So we provide entire South Indian breakfast, lunch and dinner. So breakfast ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್, rice bath and ಖಾರ bath, and you'll be getting varieties of dosas and everything. So and lunch ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ mini meals, executive meals ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿನ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೊ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ವೆಜ್ ಫ್ರೈಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಗೋಬಿ ಮಂಚೂರಿಯನ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೇವಿ.
Okay. No North Indian foods.
So North Indian food in the sense
For dinner.
Dinner we give North Indian, which is customer they ask, so we prepare and give to them.
Okay.
And South Indian we focus this particular we focus on South Indian.
Okay.
And also chapatis, parathas you'll be getting it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is this Coorg Cafe is about?
So Coorg Cafe
Coorg
like
traditional ಏನಾದರೂ food ಇದೆಯಾ?
traditional ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ so our chef is from Coorg.
Okay.
So the entire dishes will be kind of a Coorg taste, kind of like Mangalore and Coorg tasty.
Okay.
Taste we give to them, and we give them the podis and everything with the masalas,
Okay.
the masala dosas and everything.
Okay. You people take caterings for veg restaurant?
Yes, we do,
Okay.
and we do take small parties, and also like so many crowded people they come and take. They orders for us for the parties also. So last week also so many customers came, they gave orders.
Sounds great.
Because our price is totally very lesser price to be very frank. So entire people they can come, they can have. If a person comes with a 50 or 60 rupees, he'll fill his tummy.
Okay. Guys, let's taste out some veg food. After a long time I'm tasting some veg food. Guys, here is something called as ghee idli. On top of idli they have put a ghee. Let me try this. Tasting really good. Idli is really very soft. And the ghee taste is quite dominating, guys. I usually don't eat ghee, but ghee idli is something very unique. First time I'm tasting, but I liked it. Vada is bit crisp. It's going good with sambar. Let me take a bite with chutney also. The chutney is so damn thick. With sambar, the taste is not so great. With chutney, after a dip of sambar, yes, it's giving the entire different taste. We have 3 different types of dosa. One is kali dosa, means empty dosa. One more is masala dosa. Inside this, aloo stuffing will be there. And one more is ghee dosa. So inside this, they'll put masala, that gunpowder, and they'll pour the ghee and they'll make it in a cone shape. So first, let me try this masala dosa itself, because empty dosa, it is almost same. Dosa is really very crisp. Slightly they have put the aloo inside the dosa, and that masala is also there, gunpowder masala, and they have put the ghee also slightly. Taste wise, yes, it's very good. They have made it like a paper, so it has come out really very crisp. Usually when the dosa is very crisp, it becomes very hard, but that hardness is not there here, just the crispiness is there in the dosa. Here is ghee dosa. Just look at this. Inside they have put gunpowder. On top of that they have sprinkled the ghee. The aroma of this ghee dosa is like crazy. Even this, the crispiness is quite high. Taste wise, amazing. I don't know, I don't like ghee personally, but taste wise it's really good, guys. I'm trying this ghee dosa for the first time, but I personally liked it. And for ghee dosa, they are not gonna be giving sambar, they'll be giving this sagu. The consistency of this sagu is really very thick, and they have used aloo, and slightly they have used even cauliflower. Next comes up with chow chow bath. In this, my favorite is kesi bath. Here kesi bath is in orange color, and on top I can see some roasted cashews which has been used. They have used pineapple for this. Just look at this. It's tasting really good. The sweetness is not so high. Anyone can try this. And they have put lot of cashews also. Leaving top, just look at this. Inside also you'll find lot of cashews. And just look at this. The entire ghee is just flowing out from this kesi bath. Next comes up with kara bath. I can see some carrots, I can see some beans, some onions and some curry leaves also. And even here and there I can see some peas also. Green peas. Just look at this carrot, beans and all. For early morning, this quantity is more than enough. A person can aram se fill his tummy, as John said. Guys, this is their veg meal. They are gonna be giving 1 cup of kesi bath, curd, and 1 puliyogre, I can say, and 1 more is veg curry, sambar with mixed vegetables, and this is rasam, 1 papad, 1 chapati, and a bowl of rice. So let me jump to a bowl of rice. This, however, I have tried kesi bath. This masala rice I need to try. So let me try this masala rice. This is actually puliyogre. Taste wise amazing. Not so spicy. Let me put some sambar. Give a mix and try this out. For always sambar rice, papad is must and should. It gives a very good taste. Let me put some rasam also. I'm not able to eat because I finished my lunch. Again, I just got a confirmation from this restaurant that the vlog is today itself. So I just dropped out. Let me try this rasam rice. Tamarind taste is quite dominating. For digestion purpose, rasam is must and should. Guys, finally I finished my lunch. For lunch time I had something like a breakfast. I had 3 different types of dosa, idli, vada, and as well as chow chow bath, and even at last and final a meal also. Something like a mix breakfast come lunch, I can say. Price wise, yes, it's budget friendly as he told. I'm gonna be mentioning the price in the description part. And the quality and quantity of food is also like okay. I can't say great also, I can't say it's not good also. And the quantity is like, I feel really it's more for what we are paying. And they do even take caterings also for birthday parties and for some chota mota functions. Personally recommend you people to try chow chow bath and that ghee idli. Not a fond of ghee, but still I like that ghee idli. Anyhow guys, I'll be mentioning the price list as well as location in the description part. If you people like this vlog, please do like, share and comment. If you people are still not following me on Insta, do follow. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.